Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about top 20 verbs in English. So let's start with present past participle, ing and s or es form. Ask, asked, asked, asking, asked, ask, asked, asked, asking, asks. Next, act, acted, acted, acting, acts, act, acted, acted, acting, acts, abide, abode, abode, abiding, abides, abide, abode, abode, abiding, abides, alight, alit, alit, alighting, alights, alight, alit, alit, alighting, alights, burst, 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 bursting, bursts, burst, 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 bursting, bursts, bray, braid, braid, braying, braise, bray, braid, braid, braying, braise, blaze, blessed, blessed, blessing, blesses, place, blessed, blessed, blessing, blesses, bring, brought, brought, bringing, brings, bring, brought, brought, bringing, brings, buy, bought, bought, buying, buys, buy, bought, bought, buying, buys, carve, carved, carved, carving, carves, carve, carved, carved, carving, carves, carve, crash, crushed, crushed, crossing, crosses, crush, crushed, crushed, crossing, crosses, cross, crossed, crossed, crossing, process, cross, crossed, crossed, crossing, crosses, cover, covered, covered, covering, covers, cover, covered, covered, covering, covers, cart, 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 carting, carts, cart, 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 carting, carts, come, came, calm, calming, calms, calm, came, calm, calming, calms, drive, drove, driven, driving, drives, drive, drove, driven, driving, drives, dance, danced, danced, dancing, dances, dance, danced, danced, dancing, dances, sing, sang, sang, singing, sings, sing, sang, sang, singing, sings,